Okay, today we are off to Hayling Island Bike Meet. It is very, very warm today, and we're taking a nice little cruise down there, seeing what it's all about. First things first though, got to get fuel. Ah, there's the boys. I was about to say, yeah, I'm meeting some of the boys here. There's two of them. Hello. She all working now? She's working now. Find out. Is that a pump over there? I'm gonna scooch right on in. Get some of the good stuff. Of course, we're gonna get you. That's it, love. Go on, back it up. I can't get out otherwise. Yeah, let me block the four of you in and then try and do the air across you. We got Revit Rich with us on his MT10. He's just fitted a new throttle to it, so we'll see how that goes. Got Haz Moto. He's actually taking the CB650R instead of his ZX10. But oh my god, it's nice to be moving. So toasty. Yeah, there we go. Nah, I love you really, mate. Where's your mirrors? Where's your mirrors? Where's your mirrors gone? It's good. Sounds good. I love a bit of crossplane. He didn't have a fucking clue what I was saying. Go on then, boys. So, as the title suggests, we are going down to Hayling Island Bike Night. It's a very busy bike night, especially this time of year when the sun is out. It's on the beach front, I believe. It's been a while since I've actually gone. I think I actually took this the first week I bought it. So I'll try to slot that photo in. I think I was with my friend on the Blackbird. He's actually got a broken hand at the moment from a motorcycle accident, so he's not coming. But yeah, I've got Haz, I've got Max, and I've also got Revit Rich with me. So yeah, it should be a nice little trip. I think we're doing a mixture of twisties and A roads down there, but we'll see what we can do. And yeah, about a year ago since I went, sorry, that was a big pothole. And what I've heard is that the police presence down there is a whole lot bigger than it used to be. I think they're just trying to crack down on antisocial behaviour, all that kind of stuff. So we're just going to be chilling, trying not to draw too much attention to ourselves. He says on a bright red, very loud bike. I feel like it's been ages since I've done a proper MotoVlog. It might have been one of the London ones I did. I think I tried to do some in between, but I just wasn't happy with them. I don't know why. I'm quite particular about the content I put out. So yeah, channel updates. What is going on? Basically, business as usual. But I'm focusing a lot more on the clothing side, so I've got a big drop coming out on the 1st of June, and that is drop number 4. So I've got a ton of stuff coming out in there, so I'm just focusing on that at the moment, which is probably why the YouTube has been a little bit neglected, it seems. I've just not had as much time to do it. And like, if I am doing it, I find myself doing it, you know, super late at night. Not an all-nighter, but, you know, staying up past midnight. Alright, go do the classic. Wait for everybody to catch up. To be fair, someone is on a CB650R. Where are they at, mate? Oh. Oh, they're not far. I don't know why he didn't get fuel when we were parked up. I think it was because it was so rammed. You'd be getting no fuel with your plate flip, though, I'll tell you that. Right, I'm going to park in the shade. Yeah, those MT10s, very, very nice. I think he was considering that or a 1290R, and I don't know what I'd prefer. I mean, the MT10 is the do-everything bike, you know, it's good for a bit of touring, you know, high speeds, pretty reliable, good on track as well. So that CBR has got an E-clutch in it. So you can just floor it off the line. Right, boys, I'll show you some corner speed, eh? I feel like we're going to get absolutely drenched. I feel like the weather's going to take a turn for the worst. Just judging by how the sky looks. And like the temperature has physically dropped, like I can feel it. There is a copper up ahead, I think. Yeah. Let's see what old Revit Rich does with his license plate. Now we've found the copper. Maybe if I give him a little wave, they'll be nice and not nick me for anything. Alright, I think we're good. The key is to just creep past them, and then up here we'll filter away and be golden. Not that I'd do anything silly. Right, fuck knows where they are, so I'm going to turn the camera off and get me tunes on until we get down there. So I'll see you in a bit, because A3 motorway, boring. Right, I think silly bollocks missed the exit, so going back round again. Mate, you'd think you didn't have it on your phone in front of you.
Oh, I had it. I was too busy talking.
Not sure if you can tell, but we got a little bit wet on the way down. Oh, I'm being told there's police up ahead. Good thing we're chilling, isn't it then, eh? We got a little bit wet on the A3. It actually started chucking it down. But it was quite nice actually, I can't lie. Okay, I think we're basically here. Go on, what you got? It's looking busy. Sheer amount of bikes we've already had. Slow down for the photographers as well. Oh yeah, this is nice. Not too hot either. It's actually cooled down a lot. Well, this fun chaos, as to be expected. Boys are up there. Right there. Catapulted that.
Did you go the wrong way?
Yeah, I missed that first turn here because I was too busy.
I know. Hello mate, how you doing? Right, that is us. Out of here. Police turned up as well. They stood right next to my bike, so I was a little bit worried. Good turnout though. Lots of nice bikes. Went and got some nuggets and chips. That's it, yeah, you just got to wait for the photo. Yeah, go on, snap it up. Go on, son. Oh, that's sketchy. But yeah, plan is same way we came. Couple of twisties. Just chilling really, hoping we don't get drenched because them clouds look horrible. But yeah, that wasn't bad. It's always quite a big turnout there. I think partially because of how much parking they have. And it is just a nice place, really. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this short little ride and little video down to Hayling Island Bike Meet. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, all that stuff, and drop a comment for any places that I should go and visit, you know, that are doing bike meets around the south, basically. You know, done Rikers, done Loomies, done all that, you know. There's some, I believe, oh no, it's gone now. There was a calf called White Ways or something like that. I think that's gone. But yeah, drop any that are must visits down around this area and I'll try to get to them. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.